wet basement can be a homeowner's worst nightmare. It can also present a health risk to those living in the home. So how does water get inside your basement in the first place? Water will always follow the path of least resistance. Hydrostatic pressure builds up around your basement's foundation, usually forcing water in where basement walls meet the floor. Water may also seep in through floor cracks or wall seams. Sweating or bleeding walls may also allow water to pool in your basement. This moisture can make your basement unpleasant and even unlivable. Mold and mildew can take over, creating a toxic environment for your family. Moisture may also cause allergic discomfort, raise humidity levels throughout your home, and create a breeding ground for termites. Moisture can also cause peeling paint, rotting wood, and rusted appliances. But you can protect your investment and improve property value by reclaiming your basement with one call to Roto-Rooter Waterproofing. First, we'll inspect your home, test for moisture, and determine how groundwater flows around your home. Then we'll design a drainage system that will bring water under control. Next, we'll jackhammer the concrete around the inside perimeter of your basement, approximately 4 inches past the footing. We'll remove top rock and excavate the soil around the perimeter to the top of the footing, and we'll dig a hole in the lowest corner to create space for the sump pump crop. If the home has a block foundation, Roto-Rooter will drill weep holes in each web of the bottom block to more efficiently direct water into the drain and away from the outside walls. The next step is to lay a thin layer of 3/4 inch clean stone and install perforated pipe continuously around the basement perimeter to the sump crock. The perforated slots in the pipe allow it to capture the water that flows into your basement and safely channel it to the sump pump, where it's directed away from your home's foundation. We fasten a mirror drain to the wall around the perimeter of your basement. And then we fill the excavated trench with 3/4 inch clean stone, leaving 2.5 inches for new concrete. Next, it's time to install the sump pump, and if the customer chooses, we will install a backup sump pump that operates in the event of a power failure. Then our team will re-concrete the basement floor, completely covering the now operational drainage trench. The entire process is usually completed in 1 or 2 days. Your new waterproofing system will capture groundwater entering your basement and direct it into the perimeter drain, safely channeling it to the lowest corner where it flows into the sump pit. When the water level in the sump pit reaches a predetermined level, it will trigger a float switch that turns on the sump pump, which discharges the water up a pipe, past a check valve, and away from your home, usually into a city storm sewer or drainage ditch, depending on local codes. The Roto-Rooter name has been trusted and recommended since 1935 for all types of water problems. We use only high-quality materials and pump systems. We will obtain the necessary permits and schedule service at your convenience. And a licensed plumber will install your sump pump system. Roto-Rooter waterproofing service comes complete with a transferable warranty and includes free annual inspections to ensure the system is working correctly and that your basement remains dry.
Call Roto-Rooter, that's the name.
And away go troubles down the drain.
Roto-Rooter!